सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते जय जगदंबाई आईमध्ये फ्रान्सिस डिसोजा आणि संपूर्ण आईमध्ये बीजेपीचे कार्यकारी सदस्य मुख्यमंत्री तिथे करणार राहिले असं येतात इलेक्शन असा आणि इलेक्शनाक एकंदरीत आईमध्ये एकंदरीत राज्यांमध्ये प्रचाराक सुरू सगळ्या कार्यकर्त्यांक सगळ्या आई लोकांक पूर्ण संघटीत दवरून आणि सगळ्यांनी मेळून एकजूट जावन आईमध्ये सगळ्यांनी ते भाजपाक मत दिवचे आणि प्रचंड बहुमतान आईमध्ये म्हापशान त्याच प्रमाणे संपूर्ण गोंयांत भाजपचं सरकार येवचें आणि तुमच्या आशिर्वाद करून ते साध्य जावचें असो तुमचो अखंड कृपापर्यंत प्राप्त करून दी आणि असोच मागीर गोंयचो विकास आसा आजपर्यंत तेच्या हातूंत तुवें करून घेतलो आसा हेजे फुडें सुद्दां असो जास्तीत जास्त गोंयचो विकास करपाची संदी ताका फुडें तूं प्राप्त करून दी सर्वतोपरी सांभाळ करून तुझ्या कारणाकडे सेवा सेवा करून घे सर्वतोपरी सांभाळ कर मध्ये कल्याण कर पावन कर कर श्री सातेरी माता की जय.
From the first election, I've always been confident. Seeing the enthusiasm of the people, I feel everybody is saying that we should cross the 15,000 mark votes. See, last time we got 14,955. So they say we'll cross 15,000. I'm saying 18,000. But it's possible.
14,000.
955.
And now?
They say we'll cross 15,000. Some say we'll cross 16,000. That is more than 75% of the vote. In terms of percentage. My supporters say we can take more than 75% of the vote. What is the problem? It's one of the few constituencies in Goa which does that. And Mapsa is leading that.
How will the MKP Goa Suraksha Manch combine affect your chances? Will it reduce your margin? What do you think?
I don't know, we'll wait and see, no? Why should we jump the gun? Let's say wait and see what happens, who contests, what support they get. But looking at my supporters, I feel we have got massive support. For all these many years, I'm not going door to door. But my supporters are. I'll try to do as much as possible. I have to do canvassing for the whole state.
You'll be one of the star campaigners.
I won't say I'm a star, but I'll be campaigning the whole state. So I have to. Whether it's 21 or 26, it doesn't matter. The magic figure is 21.
So what about the U-turns that opponents are taking up, the casino, MOI, demonetization
See,
issue?
everything cannot be done in 5 years. You have to be a little patient. What Congress has done in so many years, we have to undo in 5 years. It's not possible.
But
The
demonetization
economic crunch is also, we have to reduce our pace, you know. We cannot have that speed.